So we all know how hard it can be to admit that there are things in our lives that are out of our control. We can't control the traffic, we can't control bad weather, we can't control the way people act or how they feel or how they think. There are even things in our own bodies that are out of our control. We all share a common thing that is so small but can be so irritating and happens at the most inconvenient times. It's the hiccups. We've all experienced them at some point in our lives, some people more than others. Hiccups are common and usually harmless. They're a condition that most people experience at some point in their lives, so we're probably all wondering, what are hiccups? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm contracts involuntarily. These contractions cause the vocal cords to create that hic sound that we all hear. Your diaphragm is the muscle underneath your rib cage, and it's an important part of your breathing process. Your diaphragm goes down when you breathe in and goes back up when you breathe out. The Cleveland Clinic says there are two things that happen when you have the hiccups. Your diaphragm pulls down between your breaths and sucks in air, and then your glottis, which is the space between your vocal cords, closes to stop more air from coming in. Hiccups happen very quickly and typically only last a few minutes to a few hours. There are some cases of hiccups that can last for 48 hours or longer. Those are considered chronic hiccups and may need medical attention. But I bet now all you are wondering what causes the hiccups. There are many different things that can cause the hiccups. The Mayo Clinic says cause of hiccups include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, smoking, alcohol, emotional stress, and being excited. For severe cases, for hiccups that last for 48 hours or longer, some of those causes can be nerve damage or irritation, central nervous system disorder, metabolic issues, and drug and alcohol problems. However, males are more likely to have long-term hiccups than females. So we know what the hiccups are and we know how they can be caused. Now we need to know, can you treat them? Yes, there are many ways that you can treat the hiccups. The Cleveland Clinic says that there's not an exact reason as to how you can cure the hiccups. Some remedies may work, some remedies may not work, but it doesn't hurt to try. These home remedies include drinking water quickly, eating dry bread, chewed ice, and swallowing sugar. Pulling on your tongue, gagging, rubbing eyeballs, gargling water, holding your breath, or breathing into a paper bag. Don't use a plastic bag. For long-term hiccups, they can prescribe you medication. Those medications are gabapentin, baclofen, and chlorpromazine. So now that you have the information on the hiccups, what causes them, and how to treat them, you need to remember that hiccups are going to be annoying, but next time try not to get so annoyed. They're completely out of our control. Think back to this speech. Try one of the home remedies. Maybe it'll work for you. I hope it works for me.